course, as a CTO, it's important for me to drive the architecture as one of the key components in this. And whenever you want to do a dramatic change, a big change of industries, when the communication field, architecture is one of the keys. The communications industry, or the telco industry, if you use that term, is now colliding with the IT industry. And as that collision is happening, architectures, discussions of how that will evolve is one of the key items. Whose technology is really going to guide this? And we think that this will be an evolution of both. And what's going on right now is to create an architecture that is open enough, that includes technologies like SDN technology, that includes abilities to use open source in a much bigger degree. All kinds of good things and things that are coming with the cloud technology will get encapsulated and embraced by the telco industry, and transforming the way that core networks are being built, radio networks are being built, the way that the technology is being deployed, and eventually making the telco industry, who's been very stovepipe focused, quite slow because of the stovepipes and all the interoperability between nodes and so forth, into a much more horizontal approach with software deployment on a horizontal basis, much quicker, much faster, much more agile, but also with preserving some of that key performance issues that we really have in the telco industry. Some of those values of the 5 nines. So 5 nines is dead as a concept on a node level, but it's certainly going to be very important from an end-to-end and performance perspective if you want to have the self-driving cars, if you really want to have credit card transactions and so forth being fully safe in this future world, where even the 5 nines would include functions like safety and security on the net. This will transform not only the telco's network, but it will actually also start to transform the way that the internet communication is being managed. And I think there are many discussions right now going on how that will evolve and how we can create a more secure internet functionality that would be good enough not only for surfing websites, but would be good enough to be the backbone and infrastructure of a society. So that's what this is about. Sustainability piece here, of course we cannot, the whole ICT sector today is about 2% of the world's CO2 emission. On the other hand, as we say, the promise is that we can help evolve and